Hello, hello. We are back. Ooh la la, look at that. So I just got back from the beach, had to rush a bit. I fell asleep. Had a lovely, 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 lovely nap. I always hate it when I nap. I always feel weird. But anyway, nice move. Ooh la la. So, now it was a little high resistance going up, and after 6 o'clock, new 4 hour candle, it started to move a little bit better. We had a nice retrace, and ooh la la, this move, I didn't expect that one, to be honest. But nice, nice, nice. I wonder if we're going back into that opening range back today. I really, really wonder now. So, woo. Who managed to catch that move? Who got in at pre-market? That's a pretty awesome move. Okay, let's see. So I already had this level here that we marked in pre-market to some, I thought, okay, it might take it out, but it already took it out before the market opened, right? Or did it do it? Oh, okay, after market open. Okay. I didn't notice it, and I was like, okay, I didn't play today, but it's already done. It's already done. I'm late to the party. I'm late to the party, but that's so good. Um, so this level, I've been aiming for this level 3 or 4 times. Hey, Jim, how are you? How are you? How are you? Remember, I've been trying this level for, I think, 3 times, and every time it did not go into it. So I'm a little bit hesitant, but it sort of like looks nice. Is this today? Is this it? You got in at 9:49? It just went through everything, right? Nice, nice, nice. Hey, people were saying, oh, it's going to be choppy today. Yeah, it was choppy. We had a nice one in London, and then you just want to be careful after a nice distribution. Well, actually, now, you know what? This wasn't the distribution. This was just actually the manipulation move, right? And now the distribution. We had a lot of chop, chop, chop. It was a distribution candle, but technically, this is the distribution move. Pretty awesome. Okay, let's go. I also want to get in, to be honest. I haven't even opened my accounts. 10 o'clock, 4 hour. We've got a new 4 hour candle. We're going to get continuation finally. Finally, yeah, I think we're going now. I'm still careful with this level 125. I don't want to be, you know what? I've been taken by this level so many times. 3 times. It rejected here. And I want this. This is like an imbalance that I have on my, but I need to. We have a week. We take out this week. I have to wait, guys. I don't want to be taken out. I'll show you. 3 times this one, I tried this level already. And let me show you. I tried it here. It didn't go in. I tried it here. Didn't do it. I think, okay, 1, 2. I think there was another attempt. But that was not okay. 1, 2. I guess. Well, this one is higher now than this. That's the only thing that worries me. I wonder if we're just gonna go down. Yeah. See, I'm gonna be careful, guys. I'm not. We have in the Netherlands we have a saying: "Een ezel stoot zich niet 3 keer aan dezelfde steen." A donkey doesn't kicks itself at the same stone 3 times. Okay, let's see. I'm sort of off the whole week. I'm late. Okay, 4 hour candle. We did not take out this week. We have event horizon higher, so can we expect a move higher because we have liquidity here? Now this week is higher than this week though. Event horizon, we are above this one. I would say so, right? But 0.5. 862, 25,862. 25,862. Okay, where are we now? 25,862. That will be somewhere here. I like that. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to the 1 minute. Um, 862. Open my account. Oh, my account is open. Okay, there you go. Let me quickly have a look at ES. ES doesn't want to load. Okay, I'll quickly have a look at GC. You know why I like GC a lot? We have a full open. I wanted a mini leg move the upside and then go down into this. We've got two opening range gaps now. Hey, Jean d'Arc, how are you? We've got two opening range gaps unfilled, so interesting. But I want to see gold go a little bit higher. Okay, where's my CL? Okay, I'll change this to CL. Why? What happened? CL dumped. Okay. You know, guys, I just don't want to be stuck in chop. That's my only worry because um, how am I going to okay. Okay, I like it. I like this level here. 792 and 8. I had 840, but I think 862 is in play. Okay, let's see. Now I don't like it that we go below the 10 o'clock. Are we gonna 10:15? 10:15. What are you going to do? Are you gonna dump first and then go up? Is that what you're going to do? Yes. Let me focus. Are we going to go down to 7:15 first and then go up? Let's see. Is that maybe a possibility? 715 and then up. Okay. No. It's 10:16. Okay. Hey, Seek for Growth. How are you doing? I just wanna go back to why I said what I said, because you had such a nice move, low resistance. I didn't want you to get stuck in chop when you had such a nice move, right? By the way, I think it was a distribution, but actually the candle was a manipulation move, right? We have the distribution. What a bloody move! Beautiful. Did you catch that, Seek for Growth? Or is that what you mean? Please come back for me. It's okay. Hey, seek for growth or seek for wisdom. They will keep on coming. Don't worry. If you have a day, hey Ronish, how are you doing? It's like a bus. They keep coming at some point. If you miss one, you just wait. You be patient. And we only go for the low resistance. Okay, now I want to enter, but so I'm sort of worried. I want to get stuck in chop. Like, this morning after the 3:30, they made the London low. Like a large move, sometimes you get chop for a while. And now I'm sort of like, I don't want to enter. And it's hovering around the 10 o'clock. You see that? So I'm sort of like hesitant a little bit. Hey, Jean d'Arc. Well, so this area here, I tried 2 times already, and I just got stopped out, and it didn't work. So now we're here. I'm like, okay, are we going into this imbalance? Because there is an imbalance, but I'm also a little bit worried. If I look here, we do have liquidity, right? We do have liquidity here. We've got an event horizon. So I'm sort of like thinking, okay, we could go there, and then we take out these highs, and then go back to another and walk. But I'm a little bit hesitant because of the chop. So I just want to wait because of such a large move, and you might get a chop and maybe a small retracement and then a move up. So I just sort of want to see what we're going to do. So I want to get long. So my buyers would be long, but I'm a little bit like, because this area got me twice already. So I'm sort of like, oh, are they going to fool me again now? So, let's have a look at the 4-hour. Okay, so we have a 4-hour. The 2 a.m. was this bearish move, so that's the manipulation. Then this distribution from 6. Oh, Ronesh, you guys are stressing me out. I'm not on my best game today and this whole week so far. So I'm very conservative. I would rather let a move now go, because yesterday I missed a move. I can't remember what happened, but I'm just really slow. I'm just slow on my. So hey, listen. Seek for Growth, she had a beautiful, the 4-hour, she almost took the whole candle here. And I was busy doing other things and I just missed it and I didn't see it. And then we got the distribution here. But looking at the price action, don't you think we're going to get another continuation candle, right? But hey, look to the left here. I'm risking 5 grand. I trust you. Oh my God! Don't say that. For Friday's high. Yes. And you see, Seek for Wisdom, what that high is, and it's exactly the 125 matches with Event Horizon. And how did I calculate? I calculate the 1-hour manipulation move. We can do the 4-hour as well, but the 1-hour seems to work pretty well. I don't like the 4-hour now, because then we are already in. You see, we're already at 125, and we are. I think the 1-hour is better. So using the whole. Yeah, I really like this level 788, 792. Yeah, but you know, Jean d'Arc, it's so difficult to. Sometimes it could just manipulate up, like have a very, very violent wick to the upside, right? But the easy thing is that it will go down into the range, and then we take it to the upside. But I don't know. Like Jim, he's already in, right? So where did you get? I want to check again. Jim, you got in at ES at 9:49. That will be on ES on. Yeah, that will be here on NQ. That's awesome. That's a good entry. So when you're in chop in this time, you wait till 10:30 and then you reassess. And sometimes we have to wait till 10 to the macro, right? But It looks like it's ready to pop though on the 1 hour. I think it's ready to go though. I have to be patient. You see? It's frustrating, right? This would be if I would enter here, guys, this would be just a gamble, and I just don't want to. I used to do that, and I just don't want to fall back into that habit. I feel FOMO a little bit as well. I feel it too. I feel it. So I'm not immune to it. Because you know where it's going, you know what it's going to do, and then it might not give the pullback, and then you miss it, and that sucks. Especially I miss London as well, so I'm really tested now. But look at the 1 hour. It's really like it's on the top, but it's gonna go. It's gonna go without us. It's gonna go, guys. We're gonna miss it. Okay, let's look at the breaker. Let's see if we can. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna look for a retest, and we're gonna mark it order in when we get a proper retest. Now, actually, we got the retest, so maybe we can get one more tab into it. I don't know if I would have been in gym. I tend to play after 10 o'clock, but well, to be honest, I would have the 150 to 210, the 150. Yeah, here we go. We can mark it. This is a paper. I'm gonna enter. My stop loss is gonna be below the breaker. Now, technically, the breaker would be 2R always, right? Let's do it. I'm going to have my other, let me just, I want to enter my account as well. Oh, where is it? Where are you? Where's my account? Let's see if the breaker, it works, if it gives 2R. Because this is the mechanical, we want to, for especially beginners, I want to really give them 797, but my TP will be higher. Where's my TP? We might go into chop though, but the stop should be safe. If it's going to go up. If not, it is what it is. It's 60, 917, 860. But you see, the breaker doesn't go in, doesn't go. I should do it here because you remember I got taken here twice. Now the safe trade would be here, and I should have a runner on my other account inside. But if I start out again, Remember, I tried this twice, and the breaker only gives 2R exactly to this point, right? Let's see, it works. It's not a 2R trade, is it? This is not 2R, 84 and 108. That's not correct. Oh, here we go. I see. It's still not 2R. It should be 160. I don't understand. It's incorrect. What did I do wrong? Okay, you are here. Okay, and then you should be higher. Okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. Yeah. Here we go. So you always have to wait to 10:30, right? Respecting the 10 o'clock? I haven't entered yet, guys. I'm gonna wait until it's over this area and I enter on my account. Ronish, I'm not in yet myself. I'm waiting. I do think because 2R gives this, I'm gonna have a higher R. I'm gonna put my if I do decide to get in, my TPs will be hold on. 863 will be TP1 if it reaches that, and my TP2 on 917. Where's my? But I'm still not sure, guys. I read this area. It's so seek for growth. It might just also just disrespect and go down. But hit 0.1. We didn't go here. It could just disrespect. Yeah, it's gonna be. So, Ronesh, when you're in a consolidation, the breakers are not so. You cannot trust them as much as we can trust them in a normal. When you have like a reversal, you've got your inversion. It's not like that. They are less trustable than normal. So I would not I would not, I would be very, very careful. See, we keep on bouncing around 10 o'clock, which is normally not what you want to see. 10:35, let's see. We might go down first and then go up, right? It's all possible. Look, we're disrespecting this one here. But we did see this. There we go. Okay, I'm stopped out. Okay, move to the downside. I do think we are going to 7:15ish. Okay, I'm gonna take a short though. 7:15. Oh, it's almost there. It's gonna go here. I think it's gonna go for 7:15. Yeah, the 0.5 level here. 7:15ish. Let's see. Yeah. Did we take out a high? Yes, we did. So yeah, it could be an order. But we retested already here. I think it's going up again, guys. You know what I don't like about the 15? You see, then we opened up, we had a wick boom into this, and then it went up, right? Let's see if it wants to go back in or not. $7.15. Take short to the 7. It's just a paper trade, guys. 7.15. I'm going to take it to 7.15. $7.17. Boom. I need to have more scalps that are longer than 20 seconds. So a scalp can be a 1-to-1 in my opinion. You know what I also want to, hey, Tamir, how are you doing? But I also want to practice, like if you're in a trade and you see you don't trust it anymore, to get out when you're in profit, right? 718, 716. Ten 41. I wonder if I should put it here just to be on the safe side. My magic. You don't measure R to R anymore. No. At some point, you just go with your. I'm just measuring the R to R for the breaker retest for people that want to learn a easy model. The 2R. I technically don't trade 2R on my account. I want more. Well, it can be 2R. No, I do not go for 2R, but I think it's a good thing to practice. But this was a good one that failed, right? Why did it fail? Because of consolidation and. But the breaker retest technically works almost 80% of the time. But it has to be like a reversal, right? You have your inversion, you have a liquidity sweep, you've got your inversion already, the break has been activated. So you have a couple of confirmations already. So I think it's a really good strategy to use when you are starting out and you want to model, right? I think. So I'm going to try it myself as well, but we'll see. But this is nothing to do with the breaker retest. This is just trying to trade something while we're in consolidation. Can we call this FOMO? Yeah, a little bit, I guess. Are you still in your trade, Jim, by the way? Are you still in? Or, because your trade was around 9:49, so on. It could tap into previous day high, right? There we go. Okay, 7:15. I think 7:15. Yeah, there we go. It could turn here at 7:15. Let's see. What time is it? 7:15. Previous day high. Let's see if it holds here. And then this becomes important, right? Thank you. $660. Um, I want to turn here. I really wanted to yeah, I really don't want to see go lower for long, to be honest. I really want, yeah, this is what I want to see. I think I'm getting in here on I think this is okay. T stop loss, 860. Here we go. It's more like it. It's still a lot of ticks. I mean, it's still, wait, 1048. Come on, give it some speed now to the upside. No more to the downside. I'm done. I don't want to be stopped out again. You're hurting my feelings, NQ. I might be stopped. Hey, Anand, how are you doing? If I'm stopped, if I'm stopped out with two down close candles and before the move up, I will just re-enter. Could be possible that it happens because I put my stop. I'm not moving my stop, but I put it a little bit too low, too against those two equal lows, which is not really smart because it could still take out those two lows and then go back up. But I do think this is the level where we could reject off. Yeah, RT, I haven't entered in my, I haven't entered in my account, by the way. But I do think this is the level where we could go, but I could be stopped out because I pressed my, you can see my stop loss. I should have put it a little bit, I should have put it below the previous day high because if we do go down, we might just wick into the previous day high and then go back up. Because I really think if we do go back up, it's this area where we're going to do it from. But I'm not going to touch it. I have to journal it because it's stupid. See, my stop loss is so bad lately. I'm just not focused enough. I might be wicked out and then I don't mind losing trades if I do everything, by the book and if things don't go well, but just being, over, just too fast without thinking and just doing it and then um that sort of upsets me a little bit. I get like, okay, like if it goes up now, I'm lucky in the sense of that I didn't do one more manipulation leg to the downside, and it will save it for later. But it's previous day high. Those are levels that usually are retested. There are equal lows. Now I think they could leave them for maybe later on, but the previous day high is there, so we'll see. It doesn't matter how much coffee I drink. $10.52. It's going to run down liquidity. Yeah, of course. See, that's what I mean. This is exactly what I mean. This previous day high is going to be tagged. And then, ay, 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 what are you doing? Why did I put my stop loss there? Okay. I can't get anything right lately. I don't know. It's frustrating a little bit. Okay, let's see. Focus. 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 We have a lower breaker. 0.27. Let's give it some time. So Ron, you see, don't follow anyone. You need to have, anybody could have a bad day, bad week, make stupid mistakes. Always offside. Yes, I feel like that this day. How are you doing? I use 4-hour BRK from Tuesday frame to short scalp as I'm bearish person for now until we take day sell side. Well, my account is green because I don't take many trades. So yesterday I had a green, and I also took the end of the day market on close. I went back in, so I'm still green on my eval, but it just feels like, like my worst day always is Thursday of NFP week, but yesterday it felt like Thursday. And today, you're good. It's gonna go to take previous day high before go down. Gonna take previous day high before go down. Well, uh, Oh, the market always humbles you, right? Let's have a look at gold, guys, quickly. I mean, gosh, I can't wait again that I have those days that your analysis is correct and you're also execution is going well. It feels like, well, it's now been 2 days. This is like the second day. Are we going to fill the gap? Okay, I'm going to put on my opening range gaps again. Again, we don't go into this area. This is number 3 that I thought that. Third time, but we'll see. I'm going to put on the opening range gaps because I just want to see where the levels are, just to see where we are in the grand scheme of things. Part of being a trader, right? You have off days, off weeks. Oh, you asked for it. Yeah, it makes sense that it goes here, right? Did you call for it? Let me just, I need to switch off the music. It's anti-rooster music. NQ clearly tells me now I'll not go up anymore. Machine will target lows and lows today onwards. Ronish, I wish you know what? I just don't know at the moment, to be honest. I have imbalances to the upside. We have the opening range gap to the downside from yesterday, which is still more than 50% unfilled. We stopped again this manipulation move of this morning. It stopped exactly at the same low of that opening range gap, so it didn't fill any more of that gap. So I thought, okay, maybe it will leave that for today. So actually, I thought we would get a continuation run to the downside, but if you calculate, like for example, right, if you use standard deviations, if this is the manipulation, and we can use this one here of the 1 hour. Let me just use this one. See where we are. If we're at 4, we could get the end of the road here. Okay, okay, I got you. Okay, we are here at 6, so maybe this is it. What percentage are we at the move up? Okay, guys. So if you have manipulation and distribution as AMD, now it's not very clear, right? Because it's sort of part of the. Technically, this is 6 standard deviations from this 1 hour manipulation candle. So we could be done and go into the range here. Finally, it's oh, did I miss a question? Oh, seek for growth already answered it. Thank you, seek for growth. Tip of the leg retrace, maybe we get OTE for long. I wonder if we are getting along anymore. I think it's going to be, I wonder if we're just going to go all the way back in. I think we're going to go short. Did you calculate the OTE, seek for wisdom? I'm going to call you seek for wisdom. Yeah, I'm going to go short here. It's 11 o'clock. Is it the OTE that you calculated? Let's see. 602. See, yes. Now this is today's opening range gap. We filled it for how much? 0.38. Okay. Hey Jay, are you in a silver bullet short? Okay, you're in a short. Yes, I'm in a short as well. I think we're going to finally get into the opening range gap now. But I still listen. It's affecting my confidence. This trading these 2 days. I don't feel sure about anything anymore. I feel confident enough to get into the trade, but hey, I'm like, oh, thank you. I'm gonna have to divorce you. I'm just trusting the macro because we're in a macro. We're in a down movement. Um, I'm trusting the macro to be short because we're 5 past already. I don't think we're gonna swap. We're gonna turn here. When it's like 11-ish and 1, 2, 3-ish, and then I'm like, okay, what? It might. But now I'm sort of okay. We might have the full run, but hey, listen, the macros don't work lately as well. Josh Karan, I'm looking for it to either cut through 940, 1 minute FUG to go lower, or consolidate there to reverse for 10 BR key retest. Yeah, this is a bit of a tricky area, right? If you look here. This is that area, sort of like original consolidation. So if it's a market maker buy sell model, this could be the original consolidation where it could reverse off. Technically, yes, it could be the end of the market maker model. But I have to stick to my trade. I mean, I'm gonna lower my TP a little bit. This one here. You have to keep in the trade that you make. You have to be confident in your TP and your stop loss, and then if you're wrong, you have to journal it. But and if you keep on being wrong, you have to just take a step back. There we go. I have to manage my trade. There we go. Ooh la la, that's nice. Come on. Nice trade. Oh, I'm making up for everything. Guys, if I have a paper trade loss, it feels for me like it is the same. I feel horrible. It doesn't matter. I'm just taking one off because we are at the top of the, oh, nice. One off. Oh shit, I took one extra. Damn it. What am I doing? Guys, instead of taking one off, I added and it went down. So it turned out to be okay, but it was again. You see? Here I don't trust it again because I think it's going to go down, but it's very wicky and god damn it, what am I doing? Cannot trust myself. $11.08. Take another one off. Always be careful when you have the enter, in an area like this, the beginning of a gap or whatsoever. It's also, it could be like considered like a premium discount thing, right? So it could hit this and this could be enough for it to go back up again. Yeah. Okay, I've got 2 runners left. Okay, I'm getting one more off. I don't like it. Okay, I'm out. Okay, question is, are we going to go back in or are we going to go back up? I think I should do a poll. I wouldn't be surprised if we go back up, to be honest. Oh boy. Who's in the long? I wouldn't be surprised. This is a breaker. I don't see. You're calling this the area breaker, right? It's a low, high, lower low. It took out liquidity, but it's technically this is all in manipulation, right? These are all bottomless wickless candles. So is it a sweep or not, right? So I'm not sure. This I don't trust it because it's sort of like you see the wick and it didn't really it just gave this candle a wick. So um I don't trust it, guys. OTE, no, the OTE, I don't think it's OTE anymore. I think we finalized the full market maker. I think we're going to go into the range, but okay, let's reassess, guys. You reassess. Stay calm. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. Do we have a 15-minute breaker? Yes, we do. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go to the 15-minute. I'll go on the 15-minute. Ding, ding, ding. See the area. The London session is very important level. I think this is a mitigation block. We did take out the low here. I don't think it's a mitigation. It's a breaker. Low, high, low, low, and we took out liquidity here. So this would qualify as a breaker, but the wicks are allowed to go below it. But is it going to hold? You know, guys, I really love the 9-minute chart. It gives me so much clarity. Time distortion, you have low, you have manipulation, A, M, D. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We can put out a part of the, so this, if this is A, M, if this is the London session, right? Boom. Then you can cut out part of that for our loss with the consolidation outside a little bit, and then you have your distribution. Now, if we calculate from the 9-minute, how much did we distribute to the upside? We use the whole level. We use just this. Okay, it's not too accurate. It's really weird. Such a weird structure. What about you? You wanna play? This is a breaker. This is the whole area is a breaker, so then this doesn't count. On the 9-minute, this will be a mitigation. Oh, look at this. I got equal lows everywhere here. I didn't even see that. You see that here? An equal low below the first presented. And I'm getting back short. Oh, who's that? The 9-minute chart. Okay, I'm getting back into short. What time is it? 11:17. But you see, with the I love the. It gives me more information than a 3. So if I look at the 3, for example, we had a lot of consolidation, right? You see, after we had the move in the on London, we just winded up on a very high resistance. There's a lot of information here. So the 3-minute I can't see. So then I go to the 9-minute, and it gives me a lot of clarity. Equal lows, equal lows. First presented of London with equal lows below it. Now I'm getting more confirmation for a short. Who uses the 9-minute? You know, we created that during the move up, right? This is all created liquidity. Now what do we have on the upside? We have a 1 nick, and we've got this, and plus we have this one here, and I still have my levels here. So this is all where my P was. So it's just when the 3-minute is there's a little bit too much data, I just go to the 9-minute to get a little bit more, just a better overview. So look guys, we've got this here, so maybe we can expect the same here again, right? Let's see if we can get a run in the 20, if we can start running around 11:20ish. Yeah, I'm bearish again. I cannot bullish, but I can be wrong as well. But I don't care. Let me see the 4-hour. Where are we? Let me check if I put all off the stove. There we go. Okay, such a weird thing that I have. If people are starting to use the braai, we call it braai here, or a barbecue. I always think like, oh my god, did I leave on the stove? I always get it's something, just like an alarm thing in my head. If I smell like, I love the smell, but I always have a, oh shit, I just cooked. Did I leave on the fire or something? And I have to double check. But and I know like it smells like a braai or barbecue, and I'm like, but I still have to check. So. PM session may go down to sell side. Yeah, it looks like we're going to consolidate again. Hey, but for no news Tuesday isn't too bad, right? I mean, I remember someone in London says, "Oh, it's going to be no news Tuesday, so we might not have a move." But because we had such a weird move yesterday, um, oh my God, trader, that was not the point. You totally missed the point. It was about high resistance versus low resistance. We don't do that kind of shit here. It was about low resistance, high resistance trade. It wasn't about, I didn't say it wouldn't go up. I said after 6 o'clock, but wait till 6 o'clock because I have people in my chat that want to become a distribution trader. We take low resistance trades. We do not take the high resistance trades. That was what about, not about going up or down. So just, I don't know why you come here with this kind of attitude because this is not the attitude that we have here. So no one knows where. Well, you were defensive straight away because and you didn't even know what I was actually saying. I said because especially my gal, Seek for Wisdom, she's becoming a distribution trader and she wants to get into trade. She says, "Oh, I'm missing the long," and that's why I said, "Hey, be careful." She just had a very good long. She took the distribution move to the downside, and the only thing that I was saying was, "Listen, be careful because it's the end of the 4-hour candle and you're not going to get a full move back to the upside. You're going to consolidate. And after a large move to the downside, you want to take a step back, enjoy the profit that you make, and then and then I said you wait. And then I said after 6 o'clock you might get a larger distribution move, or spike up. That's what I said. But you don't want it to go straight back in after a large move. As a distribution trader, you want the smooth, low resistance and not the high resistance. That was what that was about. And you can see here, I do want to clarify it. Why? You see, well, let's go to the 9-minute because I love the 9-minute. You see, let's go. You see this whole move here. We had London low. I knew London low was in because London low forms between 230 and 330. And after a move like this, we have parallel gap. You see how this moves up. You don't want to be in a 20-point move and stay 2 hours. It was 50 points. You're in 2 hours. You don't want to be in it. I don't teach my people that. If they want to become a distribution trader, I tell them to stay out of this. Save your mental capital and wait for the next move, especially when she took this move. And she says, "Oh my God, I'm missing the long." I was talking to her because I know that it's just a waste of mental capital. This is a long time. It didn't move until 6 o'clock. See here? Here it started moving again. That was the point. Yeah, but it's not about no. It's just because I do know that this happened because I studied this because I'm a distribution trader. So I do know that this is very high probability that you get chopped in this area and this time we never move like that. So that's all. And it was just for her because I want her to really. No, you're more than welcome. I'm happy we clarified it, but you were very aggressive as well. Like, hey, but I'm like, but it's okay. Hey, Jessica Ron. It's all good. I'm happy that we could, clarify it. So it's okay. We start over. Clean slate, okay? No worries. Okay, so I want to go. I'm still short bias, guys. But price action is not easy. Good luck, ladies. Are you talking to? Hey, Trader G. I think good luck, ladies was for us bitching around. Okay. Yeah, so that's sometimes I have to be careful as well when people type something. I can misinterpret that as well. It happened one time with one of my subs, and we had a few trolls, and Someone came in and I read it a little bit wrong, and I bit his head off. Oh, is Trump talking? So with typing also, you have to be more careful. Reading and interpreting, because you can interpret things wrong. But anyway, so all good, Trader G. All good, my friend. Thank Jay for the heads up. What is it about? Is it about something specific? Well, okay, I see now in the news it is now also in Forex Factory. Yes, at 2 p.m. Oh, 2 p.m. Okay, no, it's okay. Um, it's 2 p.m. But it's so, guys, this area I tried 2 times. It didn't work. Now again, we are entering again in this area, right? I'm speaking, so they might hold it up again. Um, and like on the 9 minute, I'm showing you again. Was it 9 minute? Oh no, the 5 minute. Or was it the higher time frame? It's really, price action is not easy this week. I think I'm really struggling with reading price. 'Let's have a look at gold again. Look at this. Yesterday it was like this, right? And now we go up again, and then we're starting to do the same. CL, 1050, 1120. 'Seek for growth is confused. Yes, hey. Trader G, it's okay. Don't worry, we are all good. I appreciate your. I think you are very protective of fellow traders, so that's a good thing. You think it's all good. Um, we have a very nice chat here, and we are a very nice group of people. I mean, I can't be happier than how things are going. So all good. Um, I suppose that, yeah. Hey, listen, guys. You see me struggling for 2 days already. I'm always too late, and then it's just ICT said it himself again. In one of his lectures, he says this reason I don't trade because it's just very choppy, um, a lot of distortion, a lot of chop. So, but then considering we had really two good moves though. The one in London and actually the move well, after 6 o'clock, it just went up, up, up. I didn't expect it to go up that much, to be honest. Um, so technically, I know Jim had a good move as well. Some people caught it. Well, I'm green, but not too much. Green is green, right? MJ, yeah, institutional big players are still on vacation. That's why price action is not good. Yeah, I think we really have to wait at least after NFP week, right? We'll see. So who is bullish and who's bearish? I'm just curious. I think this market is good for scalpers, right? If you're a scalper, you have more opportunity, I think, or you just take more opportunities. And for people like myself, if you're a distribution trader, you really are waiting more longer, and then it just doesn't line up that much as it normally does. I'm bearish after 1 p.m. I'm gonna look at some level. I just feel like uh, they know what I want to do, and then they're people are like sort of like know how you think, but I guess it's just normal psychology, right? The market is by design out to get us or make it harder for retail. I'm so tired. Hey TV, were you backtesting in the Discord? I saw you in the channel, and I thought, hey, shall I quickly say hello? But I was in a hurry. I don't know if you were by accident there, but I thought maybe you were doing some backtesting there. I'm bullish. On the 50-minute, we've been in uptrend since Friday afternoon, breaking swing lows only in London. I am new here. Oh, I'm just tape reading. Yes, yeah, I think I'm only just gonna go paper trading and tape reading from now on. I think so too. Oh, was it not you? Okay, I thought I saw your name in the channel, but it could be by accident. But okay, then I must be confused. I joined. Okay, it's okay. Maybe we have two TVs. Um, I'm still bearish, guys. I think I'm gonna put on the same trade. 1136. Okay, 0.5 here. We tagging exactly 0.5. Did I calculate it correctly? Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna paper trade, guys. I'm just gonna paper trade. I'm not gonna put on my because it's been such a weird. I just not on the ball as I want to be, so I'm just gonna paper trade from now on. This is my trade here. I like it because we're also in the end dog, this area. Hold on, I just put it a little higher. Remember, the end dogs are in play again as well. Now, can we go below this? It's so hard to read. Might be taken out again. I see we're bouncing off. I forgot to get the mark here. I can't remember which one it was. I didn't put anything here. I don't know. It rejected here already. We rejected here. Rejection block. We go up. We wait here. This is bullish. I'm also bullish and I'm bearish at the same time, I guess. The 4 hour looks. Does it sound weird if I say this 4 hour down close candle looks bullish? Isn't that weird? You see that? This 4 hour down close candle is bullish. Rejection here. We will issue this one in a fair value, which is apparently a. What the hell did I mark here? I can't remember. Two. Okay, I'm going to be stopped out. 4 hour is not going to distribute any lower. You're going to give us a large wick or what? Hey, Dolly. 11:14. I'm actually done with all that time distortion. It's just so annoying, right? It's just. I can just handle so much time distortion. Okay, on the 4 hour, what did we do? We did not take out, we created equal highs. We did not take out this, we just went one tick below it, right? Let's double check. The high on the 4 hour is 779, and the high on this one is 780. So we not take out this. We've got 2 hours to go with this handle. I just wanted to go here. I wanted to go to this way. Are you going to do that, or is it another candle? Or are you going to stay here? It's an hour. 11:43. Let's see the lunch macro starting. Um, want me have a hot? Yeah, I don't. Oh man, I feel like having coffee. Come on. Oh, hey, you know what I bought today? Like really, really, really. Because it's really hot now. Just like scoop ice cream, vanilla. It's actually really nice with hot coffee, right? So, I fell asleep on the beach. I got back here, but I don't know if you guys can relate to that. So even though I needed like one hour extra because of that bloody rooster, right, that wakes me up. But when I do a nap in between the day, I feel so horrible when I wake up. I just I hate doing a nap because I feel really like I feel like, oh my god, where am I? And I'm like, and I'm always like, oh shit, what time? I feel like it. I just never really I never wake up feeling relaxed. I just either feel more tired, or I'm just really like, oh my god, what time is it? Or because I never put an alarm, and it always confuses me or so. I don't know. Do you guys who takes a nap in between the day? I mean, I should actually, but I technically don't do it. But this was just, and it takes me a long time to. Normally, when I wake up, I'm awake, but when I take a nap during the day, I feel like it takes me a long time to really feel like, okay, I'm back. But anyway, now I'm thinking about my coffee and ice cream. Yeah, I only get my ice cream if my trade works out, even though it's a paper trade. You take a nap, but are you comfortable? Are you when you wake up in the afternoon? Are you like really okay, all good, and you just go on? I'm just really confused when I wake up. Everybody sleeps. Oh, gym as well. Okay. I have to get. Oh, you feel refreshed straight away. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So my problem is that I'm a morning person, but also an evening person. So I literally. Um, oh, you try to take a nap every day around 2 p.m. Okay, so you do that as well. So it's like it's like a rhythm, right? You use it, you do it every day. Maybe, yeah. Well, I know it's healthy because you get like your body rests and your brain takes. Because yesterday, for example, when I did London, I didn't sleep at all in between. I got really tired when we did the later stream. But it was also the price action was really sort of like slow, so I could really feel myself getting tired. And I normally don't have that when I do a PM session because I really love tape reading. Um, and now I must say now I don't feel tired at all. But so I sleep so I can trade New York. Yeah, because it's late for you now, right? Yeah. Yeah, I was actually wondering because you're here, and I was wondering how you did that. But you do that before because of the trading. Yeah, it makes sense. Hey, so soon Australian Open is starting. That means I will be jet lagged because I will have to watch the Australian Open, the Grand Slam. So, hey, Avneet, how are you doing? Yeah, we were just talking about taking naps and how one feels after taking a nap in during the day. Because I always feel really weird when I take a nap. I feel like when I wake up, I'm sort of lost and I feel confused, and it takes me a while to really feel nicer. But now I feel okay, so now I'm really all energized again. But it's just a different way of waking up when I just wake up in the morning. And yeah, trading is I don't like the price action too much the last 2 days. I'm just off. It's just not my um, I'm always too late, or it's not going the way I want to go. How about you, Avneet? Have you been trading this morning? Did you do any trades? Did you catch that long? I'm sure I'm almost sure you caught that long on NQ. I wouldn't be surprised if you did. Oh, you got the short to the afternoon, after 10:29, or in London? 10:50. Oh, you say it in a way that I'm like, oh shit. It makes me feel more bad that I missed it because it was macro time, yeah. 10:52 all the way to here. If both 1 hour is balanced, both 1 hour and 4 hour IRL is balanced. Oh, I'm going to be stopped out again. Ah, this price action. So annoying. Want me to. Well, if I look at the 1 hour here, if I see those wicks, it could still go, but then you could argue that it needs to go through this fast price range, right? But This is not balanced because we have 2 wicks here now. So it still needs to go in here. But one could argue it because this is, hold on. Sell side, buy side, sell side, buy side. Yeah, this is balanced. Below not here. This not because of the 2 wicks on the 1 hour. If we're talking about this area, or are we talking about something else? 4 hour. Yeah, and I don't know what mark here. It bounces off exactly of the one. I don't know what I marked here. So that should be. What time is this? Monday, 5th at 6 o'clock. What time? I have to find out what I marked there because it's working bloody well. What did I mark? Look at this. I don't know what I marked here. It must be another time frame. Look how beautifully it went into it. What the hell? Did I? Or is it this one? Are you it? Are you it? No, this one would. It was. It was per. It was just. It was to the tick. Oh, to the tick. What did I do? Why don't I put it down? I hate that. 1 hour. Oh, here we go. Right. Okay, it was the 1 hour. Okay. I was using the 1 hour version here. So I guess that could be the trampoline, right? Sell side, buy side, and that pass and we're headed here. Um, okay, now let's see. 11:55 macro time. It's macro time. Ooh, I like that in a macro. I was almost stopped out, guys. Did you see that? Did I finally have a good stop loss placement today? Oh, thank God. Yeah, I put it a bit above this wick, right? Here, was it this wick? Okay, and above this value gap. 11:56. 9:42 in play, maybe. Equal lows here. Then do something in the macro. Are you going to do something? Of course not. We're consolidating, right? $11.56. Hey Ronish, when PA and emotion mix together, it creates a monster beast. Yeah. Hey, I love those little. They're so cute. It's so funny because I'm in a short, right? It's a paper trade though, but like when you get the move and like you feel this excitement, like oh my god, it's finally going to move, and then you already know that you're in, then you already know that you should not, put your money on the line. The moment you have that kind of like oh my god, it's like oh Santa Claus is coming, or it's finally moving, and you get this excitement, and then again you get this uh, excitement, but then again disappointment, from these two candles again, right? So you have to be like, okay, I'm not gonna, I really don't care because I'm not trading my account, but um, it's still interesting to see how even during macros, the only one that really worked in is a 1050 one. That should have been, I mean, this is actually textbook all the way to here. How many points was that? That was actually really good, Avenue. I didn't even, I mean, I normally don't miss those trades as well, but I even didn't see that one, to be honest. It's really, my macros are my go-to, but this is like a nice little bit actually still. Almost 80 points. Probably would have, yeah, 80 points. Okay, thanks. Because I need to journal that. Um, yeah, 750. I mean, there was confirmation at some point already, right? 750. What was 950 macro? Was here 1049 was here, or 948. 249 continuation. Okay, now this is always annoying. You see, we have literally we can argue that we can say we have a price for share and price for insurance, right? Both sides. So which one is going to break? Which one are they going to? Yeah, time distortion is just it tests your patience. I'm just thinking about my ice cream. Like, okay, I'm just thinking about that vanilla ice cream. Like, I'm gonna get really like a big bowl and take a few scoops and watch. I guess I'm curious. What does anyone know the topic about what Trump is going to? I mean, there's enough to talk about. I guess most likely will be Venezuela, Maduro stuff. Or is it some? Does anyone know what the topic is? I'm just curious if it really. It's sort of like last minute because I watched this morning on the Forex Factory. It wasn't there, so it just popped in, right? Um, oh my God, what's wrong with me? We'll see. Oh no, the lunch macros. Well, yeah, lunch macros can be really nice, and especially when you had a lot of consolidation, when you don't have a 10-50 move or another move. But lunch macros, technically, I love lunch macros, and I used to actually stream lunch and PM session. But it's sort of like it's a little bit, um, there are opportunities, but a lot of the time it could also just do nothing. But sometimes, hey, when you don't have moves in AM session, they use the lunch macros to take the moves. And but hey, listen, maybe it doesn't do anything now, right? Because what time is it? 12:02. Oh, my favorite time, 12:02. Favorite root candle. Um, Now I don't think it will go down 12:02. We might use it to go up a bit and go down. 12:02, sort of like. Well, let's see. I will be surprised if we push down from 12:02. Yeah. Hmm. Jay, I take every macro if I can, but they don't always work, right? I mean, it's just sort of like. But when the macros don't work, then the next you look at the 20-ish time, what happens around 20-ish, 20 to 23, 25-ish. So there's always hope, right? But it takes another 10 minutes. So if you use the 20, yeah, because it's 10 after, and then you're like, okay, whatever. I'll wait another 10 minutes. So that's why sometimes I notice, why am I streaming so long? Or because every time it's like, oh, you know what? I'll wait another macro or another, window of opportunity to watch what happens. Because I just love to read price. But then again, after macro, okay, we look at the next, time that's 20 to 40-ish. What happens there? And then when that would happen, then you're like, okay, let's wait for the next macro. So then again, it's just sort of like 10 minutes for not. It's like the anticipation for that time. So now, okay, it's 12:04. Okay, well, we still have hope. I still hope. No. um, yeah, exactly, Jay. Yeah, you're right about that. Yeah, I saw that as well. And a lot of the time, it's exactly to the left, as you can see it, right? Yeah. This is actually worrying a little bit. If you look here, right on the 1 hour. One, two, and then we have one, two, three, four, five 1 hour candles. Hey, seek for good. Yeah, seek for good. It's not worth it to. I think I'm also going to call it a day because I don't think there's much happening. I think we just should leave it. Save our mental capital. Um, okay, I'm going to be stopped out now. Let's see if it goes over this level here. 12:06. Yeah. Sleep well. Seek for wisdom. Okay, I'm stopped out. Okay, so stopped out in macro after the 12:02 printed. It went up, took out the high. That's it. on the 1 hour, we went into this wick here. Yeah, it's just not fun, right? Going to say, yeah, okay, I read that already. I think it's ice cream time for me, guys. Didn't it go to 75? Oh, here we go. Yeah, exactly 75. 75, and then, yeah, okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, I don't feel like anticipating with this price action anymore. Um, I'm gonna keep an eye on it just to see what's happening. And I guess I'll see you guys in London. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Um, we have a lot of news tomorrow, right? I think we should be done. I think London is a good time, and then we have to. If we enter a trade, we want to be out. Um, tomorrow, 7th of January. Do we have London news? No, but then we have ADP non-farm at 8:15, and Jolt's job openings at 10, and ISM services PMI. But it's the day before Thursday of the NFP week, so 30-year bond auction. That's Japanese. Okay, no, that's it. Okay. Any questions, guys? We can make money every day. Yeah, there is always, even on bad days. So yesterday I went back into, I took the market on close. Not the market on close, but at 3 o'clock, I saw opportunity, so I still made like $400 on my eval. I can't remember what we did during the stream, but it was, I think we took a trade as well, right? But there's always one or two, even on difficult days, there's still good opportunity, but they're just very less. And if things align, it still happens one or two times in that day that something that you can trade. It's, you have to wait for it more longer. And even in NFP, we can, even on days like this, I'm sure in the afternoon session that there is opportunity, but you also think, am I going to do something else and use my mental capital for something else, right? Or just wait for a day that things are easy and then you just, everything is smooth as sailing, and just, it feels for me like a struggle, like I'm really like, oh my God. And everything is just, that's because of the time distortion, macros don't work. But there will be one macro that, well, 1050 macro still, delivered pretty nicely in hindsight. Um, London was a little bit difficult for me because we didn't have a manipulation wick on the 2 a.m. But still, I mean, at 3 o'clock, there was enough confirmation. So I have a lot of journaling to do. I mean, I need to journal a lot. So maybe I'll do that tonight because it's not trading anyway. But yeah, guys, any comments, questions before I let you go? And then I'll see you guys in London. I don't think I'm going to do, even if price action changes and becomes positive. Listen, this worries me, this consolidation here on the left on the 1 hour. I don't know. Yeah, the big boys are not back from vacation, but mid-January. Yeah, yeah, I can't wait for in January after this. I think even after NFP week it will get better already. But anyway, let's have a quick look at GC. What GC is doing. Okay, it's just it hardly moves, right? It's up, up. I want to see go here and then. I mean, there's so much. Look at when it starts falling. It's so juicy. I really love to go to the downside. Unfilled opening range gaps. Totally unfilled. It was do in Asia or something when I'm sleeping, right? Oil. What have you been doing? I just want to start looking at the levels more because I think it might become more today, right? Okay, we took out London at 10 and it's going down again. 1 hour. I'm going to the breaker here. Interesting area. I think I like gold. I like crude oil. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at these candles on the 15. 2 candles without a wick next to each other. Nice. I'm gonna market this area. Devil mark. Devil's mark 2 times. 2 times 15 minutes. Okay. Interesting. Anything else? Okay, well, I'm not gonna watch anymore. Okay, guys, no questions. Thank you so much. And I'm tired of this price action. Really, I am. I'm gonna just do nothing tonight and probably sleep some more. I'll see you tomorrow in London, and enjoy your evening, day, wherever you are, and we'll chat soon again. I'm gonna watch the. I need to go to Discord as well to see who posted things.